A new dawn for digital currency Pi Network at Consensus 2025. The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to groundbreaking moments. Consensus 2025 provided yet another one. Pi Network, a novel player in the digital currency space, took center stage. The excitement was palpable as attendees eagerly awaited insights into Pi Network's future. Consensus 2025, a leading blockchain and cryptocurrency conference, became a platform for the future of Pi Network. Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis, the visionary mind behind Pi Network, was there to unveil exciting developments. The air crackled with anticipation. This was a pivotal moment for Pi Network and its global community. Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis, a visionary in the blockchain space. Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis, co-founder and head of technology at Pi Network, is a respected figure in the blockchain community. With a background in computer science and a deep understanding of cryptographic protocols, he has been instrumental in pushing the boundaries of what blockchain technology can achieve. His journey began with a vision to make blockchain accessible to everyone, not just the tech-savvy or the elite. His expertise in blockchain technology and decentralized applications is highly regarded. Kokkalis has been a pioneer in developing user-friendly applications that bring the power of blockchain to the masses. His work focuses on creating decentralized solutions that are not only secure, but also scalable and efficient. This has earned him a reputation as a forward thinker and innovator in the tech world. Kokkalis has a passion for empowering individuals through technology. He believes that by decentralizing control and giving power back to the people, we can create a more equitable and just society. His initiatives often focus on education and community building, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the digital economy. He believes in the potential of blockchain to revolutionize the way we interact and transact. By leveraging blockchain technology, Kokkalis envisions a world where transactions are transparent, secure, and free from the control of centralized authorities. This vision is at the heart of Pi Network, which aims to create a decentralized digital currency that is accessible to everyone.
At Consensus 2025, I took the stage to share my vision for Pi Network. It was an incredible opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals and discuss the future of blockchain technology. I spoke about the importance of creating a digital economy that is inclusive and accessible to all, regardless of their background or technical expertise. I emphasized my commitment to building a more inclusive and accessible digital economy. By focusing on user-friendly design and community engagement, we can ensure that everyone has the opportunity to benefit from the advancements in blockchain technology. This is not just about creating a new currency, but about building a better future for all.
His words resonated with the audience. The enthusiasm and support from the crowd were palpable, reflecting the growing interest and belief in the potential of Pi Network. It was a moment that underscored the impact of Kokkalis's vision and the collective desire for a more decentralized and fair digital economy. It was clear that Kokkalis is a driving force behind Pi Network's success. His dedication, expertise, and passion for blockchain technology continue to inspire and lead the way towards a more inclusive and innovative future. As Pi Network grows, so does the influence of Kokkalis's visionary leadership, making a lasting impact on the blockchain space. Pi Network takes flight, the Binance listing. One major announcement at Consensus 2025 sent ripples throughout the cryptocurrency world. Pi Network is listed on Binance. Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, recognized Pi Network's potential. This listing is a significant milestone for Pi Network, marking its entry into mainstream cryptocurrency trading.
The Binance listing opened up Pi Network to a wider audience. It provided increased visibility and credibility. The listing also made Pi tokens more accessible for trading. This move was celebrated by the Pi Network community and closely watched by the broader cryptocurrency market.
Unlocking the power of Pi Network Ventures. Pi Network Ventures is an initiative aimed at expanding the Pi Network ecosystem. It focuses on building partnerships and developing decentralized applications or dApps that leverage the power of Pi Network's blockchain technology. This strategic move highlights Pi Network's commitment to creating real-world utility for its users. Pi Network Ventures plans to empower developers to build on the Pi Network platform. This will create a diverse range of dApps. The aim is to enhance the utility and value of Pi within the Pi ecosystem. The potential applications are vast, spanning various sectors. Section 5. The future of decentralized applications, or dApps, on Pi Network. Imagine a world where you can use Pi to access a ride-sharing service, order food, or book a hotel, all through decentralized applications. These dApps are not just a futuristic concept but a tangible reality that Pi Network Ventures is actively working towards. Picture yourself receiving a food delivery at your doorstep, or checking into a hotel seamlessly with just a few taps on your smartphone. The convenience and efficiency offered by these decentralized applications are set to transform our daily lives. Pi Network Ventures aims to make this a reality. By fostering the development of dApps, they are paving the way for a more interconnected and user-friendly digital ecosystem. Developers from around the world are collaborating to bring innovative solutions to the Pi Network. By fostering the development of dApps, Pi Network is creating a more vibrant and engaging ecosystem for its users. This collaborative effort is not just about technology, but also about building a community that thrives on shared goals and mutual support. Imagine a community where users can interact with various applications seamlessly, enhancing their daily experiences. Whether it's social networking, financial transactions, or entertainment, the possibilities are endless. The possibilities for dApps on the Pi Network are limitless. From enhancing personal productivity to revolutionizing industries, these applications hold the potential to reshape our interaction with technology. These applications can revolutionize how we interact with technology and each other. They can bridge gaps, create new opportunities, and empower individuals to take control of their digital lives. Pi Network Ventures is laying the groundwork for a future where decentralized technologies empower individuals and create new opportunities. This vision is not just about technological advancement but also about fostering a sense of community and shared progress. The future of dApps on Pi Network is bright, promising a world where technology serves humanity in more meaningful and impactful ways.
Section 6. Pi Network Community, the heartbeat of a revolution. The Pi Network community is known for its passion and dedication. The news from Consensus 2025 sparked widespread excitement and support. Social media platforms buzzed with discussions about the Binance listing, Pi Network Ventures, and the future of Pi. This strong community is a testament to the belief in Pi Network's vision.
The community plays a crucial role in Pi Network's growth. Their active participation in mining, engagement, and contributions to the ecosystem are invaluable. The community's enthusiasm and support are driving forces behind Pi Network's journey towards mainstream adoption. Section 7. Pi Network's post-mainnet growth and features. Since its launch in July 2023, Pi Network has witnessed remarkable growth in its user base. The platform has introduced new features and improvements to enhance user experience. These updates demonstrate Pi Network's commitment to continuous development and innovation. New features such as enhanced security measures, improved transaction speeds, and a more user-friendly interface have been implemented. Pi Network's development team is constantly working to refine the platform.
Section 8. The future of Pi Network, a glimpse into the horizon. What does the future hold for Pi Network? With the Binance listing, Pi Network Ventures, and a growing community, the possibilities seem endless. The platform is well positioned to become a major player in the decentralized economy. Pi Network's vision of creating a more inclusive and accessible digital future is within reach. As the platform continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly shape the landscape of the cryptocurrency and blockchain industries.
Section 9. Conclusion. Pi Network. A new era of digital inclusion. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis's presence at Consensus 2025 provided valuable insights into the exciting future of Pi Network. The Binance listing, Pi Network Ventures, and the platform's post-mainnet growth are testaments to Pi Network's potential to revolutionize the digital economy. His keynote speech highlighted the importance of creating a decentralized financial ecosystem that is accessible to everyone, regardless of their geographical location or economic status. This vision is not just about technology, it's about creating opportunities and fostering innovation on a global scale. The Binance listing marked a significant milestone, opening up new avenues for liquidity and trading. Pi Network Ventures is another exciting development, aimed at nurturing startups and projects within the Pi ecosystem. These initiatives are designed to ensure that Pi Network remains at the forefront of the digital economy, driving growth and innovation. The post-Mainnet phase has seen a surge in user engagement and transaction volumes, further solidifying Pi Network's position as a leader in the blockchain space. As Pi Network continues to break down barriers and empower individuals globally, it is fostering a sense of community and collaboration that transcends borders. The platform's user-friendly interface and robust security features make it accessible to people from all walks of life. This inclusivity is a cornerstone of Pi Network's mission, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the digital economy. It's clear that a new era of digital inclusion is upon us. Pi Network is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a movement towards a more equitable and inclusive financial system. By leveraging blockchain technology, Pi Network is creating a decentralized platform that empowers individuals and communities. This is a significant step towards reducing the digital divide and ensuring that everyone has access to the benefits of the digital economy. The journey of Pi Network is far from over, it's just beginning. With a growing community of dedicated users and developers, the platform is poised for even greater achievements. The ongoing development and implementation of new features will continue to enhance the user experience and expand the platform's capabilities. This is just the start of what promises to be an exciting journey towards a more decentralized and inclusive future. The future of Pi Network is bright, fueled by innovation, community, and a vision for a more decentralized world. The platform's commitment to continuous improvement and user-centric design ensures that it will remain a leader in the blockchain space. As more people join the Pi Network, the collective power of the community will drive further advancements and create new opportunities for growth and development. In conclusion, Pi Network is not just a technological innovation, it's a social movement aimed at creating a more inclusive and equitable digital economy. The platform's success is a testament to the power of community and the potential of blockchain technology to transform the world. As we look to the future, it's clear that Pi Network will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the digital landscape, driving innovation, and fostering a sense of global unity and collaboration.